Scientists estimate that the observable universe may contain more than 1 septillion planets. That's over 1 septillion worlds. With numbers this unimaginable, could Earth really be the only planet to have ever given rise to intelligent life? And if intelligent civilizations do exist, have they ever visited Earth? What if they have been here all along? Or hiding in places no human has ever reached? Or could governments already know more than they have ever admitted and have kept those secrets hidden for decades? For decades, thousands of people around the world have reported seeing mysterious objects in the sky. But almost every single case has been explained away as secret government projects, experimental aircraft, weather balloons, or simply human misidentification. But then, in May 2026, something unexpected happened. Under an order from President Donald Trump, the US government released around 160 previously classified UAP files to the public. For the first time, people were able to examine military videos, photographs, pilot reports, FBI documents, and decades of government investigations into mysterious objects in the sky. Although none of the released files confirmed the existence of extraterrestrial life, they sparked a new wave of speculation around the world. People began questioning not only the true nature of these unidentified objects, but also whether the truth about past incidents had been hidden from the public for decades. So today, we'll revisit some of the most famous incidents that many believe could be evidence of extraterrestrial visitors to Earth. 1. Roswell Incident, 1947. It all began in the summer of 1947. In the small desert town of Roswell, New Mexico, rancher William Brazel discovered thousands of strange pieces of debris scattered across his ranch. The material looked unlike anything he had ever seen. Thin metallic sheets, lightweight wooden sticks, rubber-like strips, and tape covered with strange purple symbols. Believing it might be something important, Brazel contacted the local sheriff. Soon afterward, the US Army arrived. On July 8th, Roswell Army Airfield released a statement that shocked the entire country. The military claimed they had recovered a flying disc. Newspapers across America immediately published the story. For a brief moment, the world believed the US Army had found a UFO. But only hours later, everything changed. The military suddenly withdrew its original statement. Officials now claimed the debris came from nothing more than a weather balloon. The case appeared to be closed, but for many people, it was only the beginning. Decades later, former military officer Jesse Marcel claimed the material shown to reporters was not the same material he had recovered. Other witnesses later described stories of military convoys, restricted areas, and even small humanoid bodies. None of these claims have ever been conclusively verified, yet they helped transform Roswell into the most famous UFO case in history. Was Roswell simply a classified military experiment, or was something far more extraordinary recovered in the New Mexico desert? To this day, no one has been able to provide an answer accepted by everyone. But Roswell was only the beginning. Just a few years later, another unexplained event would unfold. This time, over the skies of Washington, D.C. 2. Washington, D.C. UFO Incident, 1952. On the night of July 19, 1952, air traffic controllers at Washington National Airport noticed something unusual. Several unidentified objects suddenly appeared on radar. They weren't following any known flight paths. They changed direction without warning. Some accelerated far beyond the capabilities of aircraft at the time. Moments later, a nearby Air Force radar station detected the same objects, two completely independent radar systems, seeing the exact same targets. Pilots flying nearby also reported seeing bright lights moving across the sky. Witnesses described glowing objects, hovering silently, then disappearing at incredible speed. As reports flooded in, the U.S. Air Force made a decision. Fighter jets were scrambled immediately, but something strange kept happening. Whenever the fighter jets approached, the radar targets disappeared. As soon as the jets left, the objects returned. This pattern repeated several times throughout the night. No interception was ever made. Then, exactly 1 week later, the objects returned. Again, over Washington. Again, military pilots, radar operators, air traffic controllers, all reported seeing unexplained objects in the sky. The incident quickly became front-page news across America. Facing enormous public pressure, the U.S. Air Force held one of the largest press conferences since World War II. Officials claimed the radar contacts were caused by temperature inversions, a rare atmospheric condition capable of creating false radar echoes. For the government, the case was closed. But many radar operators and several pilots remained unconvinced. To this day, no explanation has satisfied everyone. Were the radar operators simply fooled by unusual weather? Or did something unknown really fly above the White House? Whatever the answer may be, Washington was only one chapter. Decades later, another incident would leave thousands of eyewitnesses staring at the sky. The world would remember it as the Phoenix Lights. 3. The Phoenix Lights, 1997. On the evening of March 13, 1997, residents across Arizona began reporting strange lights moving silently overhead. At first, only a handful of people noticed them. But within minutes, emergency phone lines were flooded with calls. Thousands of witnesses claimed they were seeing the same thing. Most witnesses described a gigantic V-shaped object. It carried 5, sometimes 7, or even 9 bright lights. But what disturbed people the most was the silence. Despite its enormous size, the object produced almost no sound. Unlike Roswell, this wasn't a story told by just a few people. Thousands of witnesses reported seeing the lights. Families, police officers, pilots, even military personnel. Many described the object as being so enormous that it blocked out part of the night sky as it slowly passed overhead. The U.S. military later explained that the lights seen that night were military flares dropped during a training exercise. However, many eyewitnesses disagreed. They insisted the massive V-shaped object appeared long before the flares were released. Nearly 3 decades have passed, yet the Phoenix Lights remain one of the largest mass UFO sightings in history. Was it simply a military exercise? Or did thousands of people witness something that has never been fully explained? These are just 3 of countless incidents that have fueled questions about unidentified objects in Earth's skies. But what about you? Do you believe extraterrestrial visitors have ever reached Earth? If they have, where would they be? Beneath the oceans? Hidden among the secrets of the pyramids? Buried under kilometers of ancient ice? Or perhaps somewhere much closer than we imagine? Inside places created by humans themselves, hidden from the rest of the world. And if any of those possibilities were true, could they already be watching us, studying our civilization, preparing for first contact, or perhaps something far more unsettling? What do you think? Leave your theory in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue exploring the world's greatest mysteries together.